Okay, we're back. Now we've seen what we have to do before the recycling trucks come to our curb. What happens next is at the center. Watch and find out.
Step 2. Arrival at the Metrolina Recycling Center. The trucks arriving at the facility are first weighed at the scale house. Trucks come from all neighborhoods in Charlotte: Huntersville, Mint Hill, Matthews, Cornelius, Davidson, and Pineville, as well as full or self-service recycling centers in Mecklenburg County. The recyclable material collected by the trucks are emptied on the tipping floor. Between 400 and 500 tons of material arrives daily and must be sorted by the network of equipment and people at the facility. The material is pushed from the tipping floor into a hopper, which starts to uncompact the mixed material with a metering drum.
Now things are about to get really sticky. Watch as they sort all of the material.
Step 3. Sorting the material. After going through the metering drum, the material moves onto the first of many conveyor belts that quickly move the material. The material first goes through the pre-sort cabin, where workers remove as much unaccepted material as possible from the fast-moving conveyor belt. It's very important to keep the unaccepted materials out of the recycling stream, as many of these items can create safety hazards, serious damage to machinery, and stop facility operations that decrease efficiency. Next, the materials move onto rotating screens which separate the cardboard and fiber products from the other material. Then the material moves on through a system of magnets which separate the steel cans and eddy currents that separate the aluminum cans. Rigid plastic bottles and containers are sorted by the optical sorters that use air jets to direct the plastics to the correct bunker. The system is designed to handle basic household recyclables: paper, cardboard, aluminum cans, plastic bottles, and jugs.
Wait until you see what happens next. This is where all of those great things turn into something brand new. How did they do it? Where did they do it? Who's in charge? Who makes new things out of old recycled materials?
Step 4. Baling the material. The recycling facility processes over 30 tons of material per hour. That's 60,000 pounds per hour. After the material is sorted, it is loaded into bunkers. The material types are sent through the balers to compact the materials into bales to prepare them for sale and shipping. The bales can weigh 1,000 to 1,500 pounds depending on the material. Baling the materials allows for efficient storage and shipping. Glass is the only recyclable material that is not able to be baled. The misguided items that can't be recycled into the system that manage to make it through without causing problems go out as residue into a trash compactor. Recycling right is very important for employee safety, protection of the machinery, to reduce disposal and operating cost, facility efficiency, and to create clean bales of marketable materials to be recycled into new items. Step 5. Sold to manufacturers. The finished bales of recyclable material are sold and shipped to manufacturers who process the bales into new items. Paper and fiber products are shipped to paper mills that make new paper products. The bales of aluminum cans are typically recycled into new aluminum cans. The bales of steel cans are melted down and turned into new steel materials by metal processors. The bales of plastic are ground by plastic processors into plastic pellets. The processors turn the plastic pellets into new plastic products, or even processed into textiles to become carpet or fleece clothing. Purchasing products that are made with recyclable content completes the recycling loop.
So you get to buy all of these things. When you go to the store, you can see if it's made from recyclable material. It will say right on the container. Isn't that awesome? Now, the fifth step on this website is to actually go and tour it. I would tell you Charlotte has a wonderful facility, but you probably live in a city where there's a great facility as well. All I did was Google onto my government website. Mecklenburg government is what I looked for. So whatever county you live in, you can Google and see if they have a facility there. Lots of these places open their doors up for tours for schools, for children, for groups, so that they can all learn how important this place is to keeping our earth so happy. I hope you enjoyed our tour today. Now, I want you to jump back into that assignment.